These are the worst days, and don't try to persuade me that when every places are closed, there are some benefits too. If look at it carefully, there isn't happiness, and this is not correct that we can look positively at the situation too. I'm sure you also are agree with me that staying at home has not any positive aspect, and never you will not hear of me that these days can be also good.
Did you think to how to control the corona situation in your personal life? Someone guessed, someone said, someone considered, but as a matter of fact, it's depend to the culture of the people. Because everybody nowadays in the world, in all the countries, has got a sufficient knowledge about the COVID-19. But it depends to the decision. It depends to the decision how to follow the protocol to be safe and pass it from those situations. Just be careful and follow the protocol.
If you don't wash your hands, Corona will come in your house. Slowly she will come and she will get us in our home.
Assalamu alaikum. We like Iranian. Our government are in good terms with Iranian government. COVID-19 is nothing to be scared or get panic. Drink warm water, add ginger, add turmeric. Gargle with salt, hot water. Ramzan is near. Keep fasting. Stay at home. Pray namaz itself is a best yoga. Alhamdulillah, think positive. Trust in Allah. Wear always mask.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कोरोना वायरस या ताउन अल्लाह की तरफ से एक आजमाइश है। हम सब हिंदुस्तानी और ईरानी इसी कश्ती पर सवार हैं। हमारे ईरानी भाई बहनों से दरख्वास्त है कि आप सब अपने फैमिली के साथ इस तूफ़ानी कोरोना वायरस का डटकर मुकाबला करें और हम दुआ करते हैं कि रमज़ान मुबारक से पहले अल्लाह इस वायरस को उठा ले, ख़त्म कर दे। आमीन।
Hi everybody, use mask please.
Wash your hands frequently. Use sanitizer.
Quarantine mode on.
Go Corona!
Hello everyone. In these times of uncertainty, when fear has gripped the world, our countries will overcome this invisible enemy and we will resume our lives with greater gratitude. You realizing how precious was the freedom that we had taken for granted. Hope everyone be healthy and strong.
COVID-19 is a worldwide disease. Countries, cities, and states are under lockdown. There are 24 lakh cases and 1 lakh deaths. To avoid getting infected, you must wash your hands, wear a mask, stay 6 feet apart, and avoid touching your face.
All together, we can overcome to coronavirus. Stay home. Stay healthy.
Hi, I am Ritesh Shrivas and I support Modi ji's lockdown and its efforts. And I hope that soon world scientists may develop a vaccine and we can get rid of this deadly virus soon. Be safe and be in touch with your relatives and close ones. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is is Ayhan. I'm living in Mysore, so I'm from Iran. So I'm going to tell this song, okay? Wash your hands for 20 seconds. अरे ये तो कोरोना हाथ अच्छे से धो लगा लोगो कोरोना अरे ये तो कोरोना हाथ अच्छे से धो लगा लोगो कोरोना. Okay, thank you. If you have cough, if you have fever, if you have corona sign, and please call to 1075. Thank you.
नमस्ते. एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो हमें समझना है ये है कि अभी हम सबको पता है कि कोरोना वायरस क्या है, कहाँ से आया है, हमें सेल्फ क्वारंटीन में रहना है, हमें सेल्फ आइसोलेशन में रहना है. अगर इससे ज़्यादा हमें और कुछ जानना पड़े तो बस मालूम क्या होता है, ये जो हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड है उसमें फीड होगा और जब ऐसा होगा तो हमें और टेंशन होगा और स्ट्रेस आएगा. तो इट्स बेटर कि इट्स इनफ और कुछ जानने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. और अभी ये जो टाइम है हम हमारे फैमिली के साथ गुजारेंगे घर में और उनके साथ एंजॉय करेंगे. और बस एक चीज़ जो हम अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे सिर्फ बॉडी से नहीं बल्कि माइंड से और मन से.
Everyone, we can defeat the coronavirus. Use mask and sanitizer. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. Don't go outside for unnecessary business. Stay home, stay safe. Happy Ramadan.
Hello everyone, I am here to help you all defeat the coronavirus. Ramadan Mubarak. Wash your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Don't get close to anyone who has cold or flu-like symptoms. Go to the doctor if you have a fever, cold or you feel that it's difficult to breathe. If you go to the market, don't touch animals or anything in the area you stay. Thank you.